Well, hello folks. I'm once again back at Purtis Creek State Park and here for 3 nights. Today's Saturday, leaving on Monday, and as you can see, it's a glorious day. A little bit cool, so perfect day for a nice walk, and we'll be going on a walk on the trail soon. See, somebody's using the old fishing pier there, and the new one is in the background. There's a scout troop here that's camped just opposite our place, and a little bit of noise last night, but not too bad. Our site 18. And there's the scout encampment over there. See all the tents behind. More over there, so hopefully they remain quiet this evening. Beaver Slide Nature Path and Primitive Camping Loop.
Well, it looks like there's a lot of campers in here. Maybe
well, let's go.
All the reserves.
Here, and there's a blind over there. Oh, you can see up the river here, up the creek. So this is one of the inlets that I flew over, I think. Kind of cool. Let me go down here a little bit, Donna. I'm gonna go down here for a second. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, there's a blind here. Bird blind. You come in here and look across the way. Sites A to M. So these are primitive sites and a little bench. Yep. And that's the outhouse, I guess. They only have 3 sites free, so they're mostly filled or booked. This is site A, first one along the trail. And as you can see, it's got a beautiful A little bit of waterfront. It's got a fire ring. That's it. There's no water here, no toilet. Toilet is the outhouse. If you had a canoe, you got a nice area to put in here. Why you say it's not the nicest one?
It's kind of open. A lot of the sites you'll see, you have to go down. They're not right on the trail. You can't see them from the. You can see, but you
Whereas
can't
this one is right on the trail, so anybody walking by will see your site. But it's very convenient. I mean, it's got all of this nice. If you've got a canoe, this is the site you want, really. This is site B. This one's a little bit better because there's a bush that you can put your tent behind. Again, this one has got a nice view of the water and a nice access to the water for a put in for a canoe, and much better site, Donna. The tent goes here. Yeah, and pretty much the same view as the other one. Yeah. So the view is nice as well. Some people on the trail coming down. This is a real nice spot here for the tent though.
Yeah. Some of the spots that I've seen previously have like logs at the
Oh yeah. This is site C. Somebody's in site C.
Right there, the water's right there. There's no obstruction.
Yeah, that's a nice view, but you can see them. This is site D. Site D, it's kind of hard to tell if anybody's in there. Yeah, there's nobody in here, but
there's a log. So that one has a log.
This one's got a log by the fire. And you can see a fishing pier off in the distance. Not very level though, but there is a spot you can put a tent right there. Or even here. Not a nice view. With good access to the lake for a canoe. It's not a bad site. It's not. This spot you can put a tent, but it's not a bad site. E. Don't know if this is occupied, but this one is quite a slope. It's not occupied. It's got nice shade. Oh, this is a nice site. The only problem with this site is the slope, but you can put your tent right here, right next to your fire ring. You can put it in multiple places here. But I would put mine there. I'd probably put it there.
Depends on how big it is.
Yeah. That's a good.
This is really a very nice spot.
Mm-hmm.
You can even put nice. Probably get a hammock up over here when you
Oh yeah, lots of spots for hammock. Or even the big space here, the big one, those two right there. If you've got a long enough tie on to the tree, you can do it. Very nice. Site K. Let's see what it's like. Most of these sites are empty right now, so the reservation signs that we saw in the big sign probably means that they're reserved as of today. So the people haven't come yet. This is a beautiful one. So the tent goes right here. Perfect. Right here is flat. And it's a little bit away from the smoke. And then you've got a nice put in here for your canoe. The view is not that great, but If you're going to go in your canoe, it doesn't matter.
If you get up in the morning early, or if you're, you know, here in the evening, you probably see some wildlife.
Yeah. And here we are, heading for the trailhead back again. So, pretty nice little walk. Not too long, fairly easy. Couple elevation changes, but nothing too hard. Here I am back at the trailer after going for a walk on the primitive loop. Quite nice. It's beautiful out now. It's still a bit cool, but after all that walking, I've generated a lot of heat, so I've got to kind of cool down now before I go into the trailer. Into the RV, because the RV is probably about 66 degrees inside there. That's the temperature it was when we left, and now it's probably a little bit warmer, whereas out here I would say it's probably about 50 degrees now, a little bit more maybe. It's only supposed to go up to a high of 54 today. And there's my beautiful wife coming out. You coming to sit?
I'm going to sit over there.
She's going to sit on the picnic table. And she's gone exploring, I guess, exploring the site. And that's our picnic table. Our picnic table and our fire ring. And of course I've got my Weber grill there. It's a very nice site. The park is fairly full today. It's got a lot of people coming in, and the weekend is supposed to be really good. So I'm not surprised at all. There she is.